For many people, trading is just a hobby that can bring in a bit of extra cash. But what if I showed you a simple trading method that you could use from home to make a regular 4-figure income in as little as 20 minutes a day? You know, with the US stock market falling 20% last year, we just cannot rely on rising stock markets alone to achieve our financial goals. But there is a better way. We've been teaching home traders and investors proven trading strategies since 2003. So please join me at my Sniper Strategy live workshop, and I'll teach you the simple rules for finding our favorite trade setups and exactly how we manage them. Averaging over 1,000 pips profit per month, trading at just £3 per pip, this strategy could make you a monthly tax-free profit of over £3,000. And the best part, all the tools that I'll be using you could use too, easily accessible from your smartphone, tablet or computer, whether a new or experienced trader. I'll be showing the strategy, running the live scans and revealing some live trades. Essentially, I'll be sharing a statistically proven trading system that can help you achieve a second income, financial independence or even early retirement. So click on the button on this video or the link that's in the description. Then select your preferred date and reserve your free place at my webinar. And I'll look forward to seeing you online soon.